तेबे आज कांग्रेस पक्षरु करा जायतला खेती बंचाओ रैली एने कोन कहउछंती प्रभारी चेला कुमार
thousands of irrigation projects with after all these things and Madam Indira Ji's the green revolution that has brought India into self-reliant in the food for the people. Earlier, as many of them may not aware now, all the youngsters may not aware about it, the country was totally dependent on America for our day-to-day food. When Indira Ji took a decision to strengthen the country's defense, when she wants to test the atomic sector, immediately in America, New York Times has written an article about that. The country which is not in a position to provide one-time meal to the people, but they are trying to strengthen their atomic base. The message has came to Indira Ji. Immediately she took a decision. We are not a slave to any country. I will prove this country to be a self-reliant in food. With that vision and mission, she has brought the green revolution and white revolution in this country, and because of that only today the India is self-reliant. Not only self-reliant, we have a surplus of food and we are exporting food grains to the foreign countries. We, Congress Party, to financially strengthen the farmers, we have established the agricultural-oriented NABARD Bank. In Cuttack, today we are all proudly sitting in the Cuttack. Pandit Nehruji established a Indian Institute of Research Management course in the rice. That institute was established in Cuttack in 1960s itself. With all these things, we have strengthened the country. The irrigation projects, Hirakut, Rengoli, Upper Indravati, Lower Indravati, and Swarnarekha projects. All these mega projects, along with more than 12 other irrigation projects, were established at the time of the Congress regime. But very sad to say, in the last 21 years of BJP government, Naveen Patnaik's regime, not even a single irrigation project has been established in this state. They are engaged only in ruining the state, looting the state. They cannot point out one development projects in this state, whether it not only in irrigation sector, whether it is a hydropower or any development aspect. Today, Orissa is there, means it is all because of the development projects established by the Congress governments. We, the Congress, when we were in the government, central, at the UPA time, to help the farmers, to give a relief to the farmers, we have waived 74,000 crore rupees for the crores of the farmers' debt. After that, people should recollect the old memories. Farmers in thousands, in months together, they sat in front of the Jantar Mandir in Delhi. But the Prime Minister Narendra Modi could not able to.
Sir, what is the exact requirement now?